Here, at the water's edge, where the land meets the mirror-like lake, nature's daily ballet of life and survival quietly plays out. It's a place where each creature, from the tiniest insect to the soaring birds, has a story to tell. Among the denizens of the wild, there's one that captures the essence of grace and agility. Meet the merlin, a bird of prey known for its speed and dexterity, yet often elusive to the casual observer. Today, we are privileged to witness a rare moment in the life of this splendid creature. A moment of rest, of play, and of sheer beauty. Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, to witness the elegance of this avian marvel, and to celebrate the splendor of the natural world that cradles it. Let's watch in awe as the merlin unveils the rituals of its morning by the lakeside, a dance between the wild and the serene, between survival and serenity. As the water droplets scatter like jewels in the air, our feathered friend readies itself for a moment of quiet contemplation. As we leave our feathered friend to its solitude, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the simple, fleeting moments of beauty that nature bestows upon us, if only we take the time to look. As our time with the merlin comes to a close, we are reminded of the simple yet profound beauty of nature. This fleeting encounter with the merlin, a creature of both strength and grace, inspires a deeper appreciation for the world around us. Farewell, noble merlin, until we meet again. Thank you for your time and for sharing this moment of discovery with us. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the natural world.